The spark plug is the heart of your engine's combustion process. It acts like a tiny, precisely timed lightning bolt. Without this intense spark, your car is just a heavy block of dead metal. It all starts with the ignition coil, which takes the low 12 volts from your car battery and amplifies it into a massive surge of up to 50,000 volts. This massive electrical charge travels straight down into the top of the spark plug. The electricity shoots down a central metal core inside the plug. This core is surrounded by a tough, white ceramic insulator, which prevents the extreme voltage from leaking out into the engine block before it reaches its final destination. At the very bottom of the plug, the electricity has nowhere left to go but jump across a tiny physical space called the spark gap. As the massive voltage arcs across this gap, it creates a spark burning at over 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This incredibly hot spark fires at the exact millisecond the piston compresses the gasoline and air mixture. The resulting violent explosion pushes the heavy piston back down, creating the mechanical horsepower that drives your wheels. Over thousands of miles, the intense heat and pressure will erode the metal electrodes, widening the gap until the spark can no longer make the jump. When this happens, you will experience engine misfires, a rough idle, and terrible gas mileage.